Yes, good afternoon. Welcome to my vlog. And I walk from the house coming here in Hamdan bus stop. Because in the house there is no bus going to Awada Mall. The bus there is going to Marina Mall. There is no Awada Mall. See, this is it. Yan, Liwa Center. And this is Al-Ahali Hospital. That's Liwa Center, Hamda. Home Center or Liwa Center. I'm on the way to our CG meeting today. I'm late. Because I'm doing something in the house. And I want to subside the hot temperature before go out because I have headache a while ago. My head is painful. My migraine headache is attacking again. See you. Hamdan Oliwa Center. This is along Hamdan Street. I hope the bus is coming right away because I already late for our meeting today. Oh, my meeting today. Our fellowship meeting today. Oh, there is bus coming. Anyway, guys, that's all for now. If you like my video, don't forget to click like and heart. Leave a comment or suggestion and interest. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye.